How much does an accountant charge? Does this vary from person to person, or is there a fixed price? Now, this isn't a silly question. As far as I'm concerned, there's only two stupid questions. The first one is asking a question that you already know the answer to. And the second one is any question posed to me by my teenager. Now, an accountant has two ways of charging. You've got an hourly rate and a fixed rate. Now, the hourly rate can fluctuate from month to month, so yes, this does vary because it depends on the amount of accounting services done or the amount of work done within that month. And the other one is the fixed price, which is basically what it says. It's a fixed price, so you know what you're going to be paying from month to month. Now, again, this can vary depending on the services required. So yes, it will change from person to person. Now, I'll give you three scenarios: self-employed person, a limited company director, and a limited company director that's VAT registered. Now, the self-employed person has his self-assessment to do every year. So you could say that's it. Then you've got the limited company director, who, as a director, also has to file a self-assessment every year, but he also has to file corporation tax, which is kind of a self-assessment for the company. So that's double the work before you take any other variables into account. And then you've got the director of a limited company that's VAT registered. So you've got what I've just mentioned, plus VAT returns, which can be done quarterly. So as you can see, that's 3 times at least the amount of work of the self-employed person. So these variables need to be taken into account when working out a price for your accounting. Now, to give you a price now without knowing what is needed and what's to be done, it's an impossibility, but they'll range from £25 a month from some companies up to the thousands. Now, if you've got any more questions or anything else you want to know on this question, just drop me a message in the comments below and I'll get that answered.